Say hi, Daisy. You saying hi? Yeah. Oh, you seen that? You begging for the first time. Ruby has discovered a new TV show she likes. Mr. Selfridge, I think that's what you call it. She likes that anyway, so she's been watching that. And sorry today's a late vlog, by the way. Basically, I was out for a walk earlier, took my camera with me, was supposed to vlog it, but then this Torah decided to be annoying. And she was getting row after row after row, and I ended up in a mood. And Ruby just pulled Daisy just pulled this toy from out of my laptop. Could have broken my laptop. I'm not getting a new one again. Oh guys, does anybody have I don't have it on me. That helps. Does anybody have this phone? It's a Nokia Lumia phone. And basically what I need is for someone to help me fix it. This button here, I've kind of broken the switch and it doesn't work at all. I kind of broke it and now the switch doesn't work. It's like gone inside my phone, and now my actual phone isn't working. It's like, yeah, it's been annoying. Basically it'll freeze, and then I can't send messages to people like text and things, and then when I go on YouTube and I do other stuff, it just freezes on me. It doesn't want to work and it takes me out of apps all the time. So yeah, if basically I can't get it fixed, I'm gonna have to get a new phone by the end of this week, because I don't think it's gonna last too long. I thought it might last roughly like maybe a month, and then it'll be fine. I mean, I'll just get like a new phone in time for my birthday or something, like, you know, because my birthday's in June. But I don't think that's going to be the case. So, yeah. I don't know. You know, guys, I really love that cushions. I really want to use them. Sucks. So annoying. Oh, guys, thank you for all the likes and all the love in the last vlog. I got like 4 views in like 5 minutes, which was not normal for me. Yeah, my other nephew, Damon, it was his little debut in my vlog, which was really cool. He's never been in any of my vlogs before, so it was really, really cool for him to be in it, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed me making smoothies. I don't think my nephews liked them, but I liked the smoothies. The taste is good. I liked them, but yeah, it was my first time to make a smoothie, and I'm sorry if it wasn't all that good, the footage. And Logan kept putting funny faces by me. I didn't know he did that, so. But I thought I'd keep it in because I thought you guys would love that and find it hilarious, so I kept it in. Weren't you saying, Doug? You weren't in yesterday's vlog, were you? You were at home. Ah! Go then, get it. Get it. Oh, you got it. Oh, you got it. Go then. I'm gonna get it. Oh, Gigi. So I've just been playing on my Euro Truck Simulator game. I was gonna try and film it on my camera, but I couldn't. I don't know why. It was messing up, so I can't do that. And I got an idea for a new video. I know I was supposed to upload one on Thursday, Friday. So but basically it was like a main channel video, because like I always do these kind of videos where it's fun and silly and you know, that kind of stuff. And I was thinking, because this year I'm going to Italy for a holiday, I thought I'd make a video about Italy for fun. And I know there's a few people from Italy that watch my videos, so I thought I'd just make a video about Italy and see how it goes. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. Them two are misbehaving in a right way. We're like wanting to go back for like another walk, and I'm pretty much just about to go to bed. I don't know, Daisy's like wanting to go for like 2 walks today. It's like unreal. Oh, I know I dropped my camera. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I know I dropped it. If any of you guys know how you can like record a game when you're playing it, and then you can like upload it, that'd be cool. I'd like to do that, but I know my nephew watches my vlogs, and I know he likes to play my Euro Truck Simulator game. So yeah, when he's not here, like visiting me or whatever, getting to play it on my laptop, he can always watch them instead. So that was just an idea for what I could do. I don't know, but we'll see. What do you think, Days? It's a good idea. I'm sorry that today's vlog's been rubbish, guys. I've not really done much today, just been at home here. But every day can't be a full busy day of going out and about and vlogging in public and stuff. So, did you just burp while I was filming? Ruby? Did you guys hear that? Ruby, you're disgusting. Really? Ew. Ew. Yeah, as I was saying, don't burp. Yeah, as I was saying, but today's been a bit of a boring vlog, but hopefully tomorrow will be a bit better. I'm gonna go out for a walk tomorrow. I'm gonna do some stuff tomorrow. So with luck, it's a bit more of an outdoorsy kind of vlog, and yeah, sorry about today, it's been a bit rubbish, but hey, it's still a vlog, so that's good. Like, really, stop burping. Stop it! Ew. This is Ruby's reaction to Italian music. You ready, Ruby? Should we show them your face? She's been staring at me like that for like ages, like, what the hell? I'm basically trying to find some good Italian music for I'm basically trying to find good Italian music for my new video, and Ruby's like, what the hell is going on? But guys, I'm going to end today's vlog. It's dragged out long enough. I don't want to make today's vlog too boring because obviously I wasn't doing too much. But tomorrow I'm going to do some really cool stuff, and hopefully you guys will enjoy the vlog. What? What, you sad this vlog's ended? Are you sad? No. You're not bothered, are you? No. Bye guys. Can you say bye-bye? Bye.